Right, we are back in a game as the Chainsaw Killer. Right, back in the killer seat. Well. Let's see if we can find some willing participants to my Chainsaw Massacre. Maybe we will, maybe we won't. That's a new song, isn't it? Oh, hello. I already found someone. Well then, lady. You are over there. I can still see you. Well. Come here, Bill. I think I lost everyone. Oh, hello. Well then. What? Who am I playing? Like, what is this? What even is this? Okay, there we go. Come on, lady. Boom. Hit. Boom, boom, hit. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, there's Bill. Look at that. So Bill's from Left 4 Dead. That's pretty cool that he added a freaking Left 4 Dead character. It's awesome. Come on, Bill, you know these things can't hold me. I'm not a regular zombie like those you fought before. I am even more menacing than that, oh, Bill. Yes. You did just got hit, Bill. Now let me see you escape me again. Come on then, Bill. You know you can't escape death. Okay, maybe he can. Where did Bill just go? Oh, there he is. Bill! Bill! Come here, Bill. You know you want to say hello. Oh my god, are you serious? Bill. You bastard, Bill. I will get you for this. I'm gonna get you for this. Where are you, Bill? I'm just gonna break these bars. Look at that. Broken. Now I wonder where the rest of the bunch are. Oh, no, that's a totem. Well then, let's try this, shall we? Meow. Boop. Across the map, my dude. Holy shit, she did not expect me to just come out of nowhere. My god. Right, let's get you on the hook, lady. Well. It seems like you have been bested, my old bitty. Right, let me just hit you for good measure. I actually, like, from the last video, I think. No, not from the last video. I played in my spare time, right? And I was playing the same killer. And basically what happened was that I got hate mail. So that was fun. Yeah. I got hate mail from like a Russian dude and a Ukrainian dude. So, yeah. Ah, you can't get me, lady. Boom. Come on then. And you're down as well. Well, isn't this precarious? You're going on the same hook your friend did. And you're gonna like it. Yes, there we go. And where is your other mate? I think I lost your other mate. To be perfectly honest. Oh no, here she is. Look at that. Hello. Do you think I'll be able to, like, get up on here? And drop down and get her? Yeah, look at that. Oh, thanks. You just did the whole work for me. Now I'll put you on the hook that's over there, because that's the closest one. Oh man, I got both of them hooked? Really? My god. Oh, you got the other one off. Well, Billy Bim Bob. Oh, she's gone. Damn, she's gone. Alright. Well, I've got another one on the frickin' loose. So we'll see what we can do about that. Oh, Bill. Bill, what have you done, Bill? I cannot believe what you have done, Bill. Oh, you're gonna play this game with me, are we? Well then. Where did you even go? Bill. So yeah, my day's been great. Did some workout, you know, I woke up with a freaking migraine. So that was fun. So I went home from school a bit earlier. And I had a sleep. I went to work out a bit because my headache was gone. And now we are here in this situation. Tomorrow's Friday. You know, we're gonna have a good time. Listen, woman. I don't like it when you do this. You know, it's only you and another person who are still, like, okay. You know? Oh, hello. Oh, hello. I'm not gonna let Bill get saved. Who do you think I am? I'm not some second act killer. I'm a murderer. I'm a... I don't even know. That's fun. Played some Monster Hunter lately, you know, killed some monsters. I killed Diablos, he's from the earlier games. There you go. Just hit him a few times. These guys haven't, like, gotten 2 generators down even, so... let's go and find this woman. She might be around, to be honest. So yeah, I did that. I killed Diablos. He's pretty fun to kill. He's actually, like, I think he's my least favorite monster, to be fair. He just runs away so much, and his moveset is a bit meh. Like, I think he's the only monster. Maybe, I don't know. Oh, hello. Well then. Well, Bill. You got saved by your friend. Hello. I did hit you though. I got Bill. Hello. So I killed Diablos. I think he's the only monster. I don't want to spoil anything if you haven't done it. Like, if you haven't played the game. Played up until Diablos. He's like the only monster so far that has used the frickin' terrain to attack. Which I think is pretty cool because he's like one of the biggest wyverns in the game. I think he's bigger than even Rathalos. So that's pretty cool. And his armor looks pretty cool as well. It's really big. So yeah. Oh, hello. Hello, lady. Do you want to fuck with me? Well, I won't allow you to fuck with me. Come here. Come here, lady. Lady. Oh, shit. I hate it when you do that, lady. Come on, can't we be friends? Oh, there you are. Found you. Come here. I was telling a nice story about Monster Hunter, and you were like, nah, bish. I ain't about that life. Come here. Where did she even go? Where did you go? Oh, I think I lost her. Well then. That's that. They're both limping now. So that's fun. I might do another Chainsaw Massacre run. Just go completely. No. Bob. There you go. She's not here. She's not here. They are healing each other somewhere, which I don't really appreciate. But hey, what can you do in a situation like this? They did heal each other. Oh, hello, I found you. Hit you as well. What are you doing, lady? Lady? Lady! Don't you run away from me, lady. Ah, lady, lady, lady. Well then. How are you holding up? You look very distressed and very weird. So you are over this yonder way. I'm gonna try and catch you on the way. There. So, done that. She might be going for a friend now. Maybe not. I don't think this woman will be able to even finish 3 gens on her own if I just camp this person. It's pretty boring to camp, to be fair, but it's pretty frustrating if... Oh, hello! I found you! Found you! Found you, found you, found you, found you! How you doing, lady? Well done. How are you doing? Actually. Well, I've got you right now, so... Yeah. This isn't really very good, is it? I mean, your friend is dying, and you're running around with me. How fun is that? She's gonna try and catch a friend, isn't she? She might just, like, wait a lot of time out. Or she might have juked me and tried and gone this way. I don't even know what this woman's deal is. I mean, she's been on me all this time. Come on, maybe I'll get a glimpse. Like, one glimpse, that'd be great. I don't even think she's there anymore. Come on. Bleeding. Look at that. Well, she healed herself, so... How do you feel? There we go. And now you're dead. Now I can hunt your other friend in peace. Well then, where is she? Oh, hello. Oh, there you are. Hello. Well then. Well then, well then, well then. Back to this, are we? Well. Ah, shit. I missed. I missed. Well. I'm dying now! Didn't miss that time. Chainsaw is so good. I'm gonna hook you here because nobody has actually died here, even though you've been on this hook before and your friend has been on this hook before. So yeah. How'd you like that? And you are dead. I did it! Yes! Well, that was fun. 2 games of Dead by Daylight in the same video. What is this? The Grand Sacrifice, because I got 3 achievements. Getting the hang of it, the Grand Sacrifice, and perfect killing. Damn. I got points in all of these. Very rare perk. Alright, cool. I got a lot of points for that at least. So I killed all of these. Well, that's fun. I got 24,000 points. Let's upgrade before we leave. I really like this killer, man. I think it's really cool. Let's just get that. Let's get that. Level 4. Now 5,000 left. I'm level 5 with this killer now. And we get the mystery box. Chainsaw file. Okay. What is that? I wonder. Well, Oh, they're add-ons, so they only work like once. Well, that's been Dead by Daylight once again. This game is really fun. I'm having a lot of fun playing this. I'm playing this in my off time as well, which is a good sign. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!
When I go in the arena, make